English Capsule. You're welcome.
The long vowel sound, A, in a short story.
Part 1.
First of all, what is the difference between the short vowel sound, A, and the long vowel sound, A?
1.
Tap. Tape.
Tap. Tape.
2.
Cap. Cape.
Tap. Cape.
3.
Can. Cane.
Can. Cane.
4.
Man. Main.
Man. Main.
And now, let's listen to this story.
Kate's skates.
It is winter. Kate and her dad skate on a lake.
1. My cane is new.
My skates are old.
2.
Look! My name is on the gate.
3. Your name is on the cave, too. 4.
And your name is on the cake.
New skates.
Thank you for watching. For more videos, subscribe.